Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 33. Find the value of x in the diagram below. Now the diagram given to us is a triangle, and A says 18 degree, B says 105 degree, C says 195 degree, and D says 270 degree. So we're to find the value of x in this diagram. Now this is a triangle which is a plane shape, and this x is given in form of what? An angle. And like we know, the sum of interior angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. And now we're given what? We have three angles here, and these angles are given in respect to x. So therefore when you sum up all these angles, it will give you what? 180 degree. So therefore we have that what? 2x plus 3x plus 5x is equal to 180 degree. Now 2x plus 3x plus 5x will give us what? 10x is equal to 180 degree. Now to find x, we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 10. So 10 here, we cancel 10, we are left with x equal to, and 180 divided by 10 will give us what? 18 degree. So therefore x is equal to 18 degree. Now from our options A says what? 118 degree, which is very correct, which is our answer. The rest are wrong. So 18 degree is the value of x in the diagram below. Remember, x is given what? In respect to degrees, that is representing what? The angles. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos.